Oh my god, this is so good. If you haven't tried crispy toasted ravioli yet, you're seriously missing on something. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make crispy toasted ravioli in 3 different ways. And it's totally vegan. Let's get started. This is the perfect party appetizer because everyone loves it. Hi, I am Priya. I am the creator of Cookylicious, which is a vegan and vegetarian recipe blog. I am also a cookbook author. My book is called the Essential Vegan Indian Cookbook. It has 100 home-style recipes from all parts of India. What? No one needs to know that we didn't make these ravioli from scratch. It's our little secret. You can totally make these ravioli from scratch if you want and if you have the time. But nowadays it's easily available in the market, and thankfully even vegan ones are easily available. So just check the package and ensure that it is plant-based if you are following a vegan lifestyle. And that's it. It's already ready to use. Let's start cooking. Once we have the ravioli, we will prepare the coating mixture. For that we need Italian breadcrumbs. To that I am going to be adding dried herbs, dried parsley, some paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. And now let's just mix it all together. Just ensure that all the seasoning is well mixed together. And now our breadcrumbs coating mixture is ready. Keep a bowl of plant-based milk handy because you'll be needing it in the next step. So what we need to do now is take a ravioli, dip it in this milk. It's a little messy job, but it's okay. I promise you the end result is worth it. And then we transfer it to this bowl of breadcrumb mixture and just press it lightly so that it coats the ravioli well. And then let it rest on your platter. Now let's repeat the same process with the other raviolis. While coating them, just be careful to not press too hard and break them. They need to not be broken when you fry them. This is one of the easiest appetizers you can make. It's very easy to put together, and it's great for large gatherings because all you need is just cooked ravioli and some breadcrumbs. So one of the 3 ways of making crispy toasted ravioli is baking, which is what we will do now. Let's place these coated ravioli on the baking tray. Place them at equal distance so that they are not too crowded. And then I'm just going to lightly spray them with cooking oil. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and bake these for about 15 to 20 minutes or till they turn crispy and golden. They are done. The second method is the air fryer method. So if you have an air fryer, then keep watching. Arrange your coated ravioli onto a air fryer tray and spray them with cooking oil. Now we are going to be putting this in the air fryer at 400 degrees and air fry it for about 7 minutes. Midway we will get them out and flip them and spray them again so that they are evenly crispy. Now your air fryer may look slightly different than what I have. Don't worry, you can use any air fryer you have. Just ensure that you don't crowd your ravioli in the basket. Just space them out well and don't forget the cooking spray. See how beautifully they have puffed. Let's quickly flip them over and again spray them with cooking spray. put them back in the air fryer. And look how beautifully it's cooked in the air fryer. Third method is my personal favorite because it is the deep frying method. I mean, everybody agrees anything fried is definitely more tastier. Let's add some oil for frying. Once the oil is hot enough, lower the flame and drop them in. Do not be in a hurry to flip them immediately. Give them a couple of seconds and then we'll flip them over. I love the flexibility in this recipe. You can use any kind of ravioli, any stuffing, everything will work here. Oh my god, this is so good. If you haven't tried crispy toasted ravioli yet, you're seriously missing on something. Yum. I really hope you enjoyed this video and will give this recipe a try. If you do, then please let me know in the comments below what you thought of it. So this is Priya signing off for now, and I promise to be back soon with yet another fun, easy, delicious recipe for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Cookylicious and also like this video. And until then, keep cooking delicious.